Welcome back. The 2016 Mustang from Friday, the 19th is live. Let's take a look at it. We're gonna walk around this car and take a look at it and tell you what was wrong with it. Look, it's running. You don't hear no vacuum leaks. New intake tube. Obviously, it's got a appearance cover on it, but it got a new intake because it never had a vacuum leak. This was broken down here at the turbo. But if you look straight down, right there, that little bolt right there, and there's one underneath it, that's for the crankshaft position sensor. And you have to have a special tool to line it up. It was also off by like 1/2. So it had a bunch of misfire codes in it as well. And it had a bunch of aftermarket coils, and we put factory coils back in it. And I've just drove this thing for about 26 miles so far, and it rides great. So let's go back inside the car. I'm going to close the hood down, and then I'll tell you what this other shop had sold him. All right, I'm back in the car, and I have some of the work orders or whatever from the other shop. I'm not going to say the name of the shop, but I'll tell you what they charged. New 2.3 liter EcoBoost crate motor from Ford and new crank pulley from Ford. Engine comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. I don't know why they charge them for a crank pulley, because the new engine comes with a crank pulley. Yeah. Labor to replace EcoBoost engine, shop oil supplies. They put a new starter on it. New starter, former mechanic broke terminal lead off starter and had to be replaced. Okay. Labor, purge valve replacement. They put a purge valve on this thing thinking it was going to fix it. And you guys saw it, where I put my finger over the intake where they broke it. Half the bolts weren't even put on it. The air outlet tube from the air filter to the end of the turbo, that was broken after I smoke tested it. And the crankshaft position sensor was 1 tooth off. You have to have a special tool to line it up. So they didn't need a purge valve. They may have not even needed an engine. I'm not quite sure. I don't know the whole history on it. But that's basically what was going on. And this thing is purring like a kitten, and it runs like a scalded dog, I guess you could say. Anyway, that's what happened to it. I fixed it. It's running great. Let's turn around and take a look at the non-check engine light and how smooth this thing is running. See? Running smooth. Not shaking. Nothing. Even got the boost over here. Look at that. Oil pressure. Everything's just running great. It's so smooth. No more shaking. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.